Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to import Lendingclub transactions into Turbotax. Filing taxes becomes much easier when you can directly import your Lendingclub transactions into Turbotax instead of entering them manually. This feature is especially useful if you've earned interest, refinanced loans, or used Lendingclub for investing in the past. To begin, log into your Turbotax account and start a new return or just open an existing one. When you reach the section for income or financial institutions, select the options to import data, and then search for Lendingclub in the list of supported providers. If available, choose it and then follow the prompts to securely log in with your Lendingclub credentials through an encrypted connection. Turbotax will then pull eligible data such as 1099 forms, interest earned, or other tax-related statements directly into your return. You'll have the chance to review each entry to confirm accuracy and to make adjustments if needed. If direct import isn't available for your account type, you can still download Lendingclub's tax forms from your online accounts and upload them manually into Turbotax. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.